Hello everyone and welcome back to FunMathology. Now today's topic is how to construct an angle of 22.5 degree. So we have been seeing so many constructions. So we have seen 90 degree, we have seen 45 degree, we have seen 60, 120 and many others. Today we'll be learning how to construct an angle of 22.5 degree step by step. Okay. So student will be using just the compass and the ruler for it. And why the need of a protractor? Because we will actually use the protractor to verify whether we have constructed the angle after the construction correctly or not. Okay, so let's start. So see, so let's give you the concept of construction of 22.5 degree at the very first onset. So what are we going to do? See, we need a arm of an angle, right? So I have already constructed an arm of an angle AO. O is the vertex of the angle. Okay, so the first step will be, students, please watch it very carefully and learn. It's a very easy way to actually construct this particular angle of 22.5 degree. What do you need to do? See, from this vertex, drop an angle or draw or construct an angle of 90 degree. Okay, now you have learned how to bisect an angle. So bisect the angle of 90 degree, you're going to get 45 degree. Now again bisect the angle of 45 degree, you're going to get 22.5 degree. This is as simple as that. Okay, so let's start. See, I have taken, okay, the compass and I have taken any radius. So take any radius of your choice. Okay, point the needle in the vertex O. As usual, draw or construct a 90 degree. So draw a bigger arc. See, the bigger arc is intersecting AO at certain point. So point the needle there. Draw two small arcs like here one and point the needle in the first intersection. Draw the second intersection. Got it? Now do not leave the compass. So draw another arc, point to the second intersection point and draw another arc to intersect the above arc. Okay. Now if you join this, so mark the intersection point very carefully. Now if you join this and the vertex O, so you're going to get what? You're going to get 90 degree. Okay, so let's name it AOB. So angle AOB is 90 degree. We got it, right? Now let's bisect it. So if we bisect it, what are you going to have? So we are going to have 90 by 2, that is 45 degree. Let's do it. So don't change the radius, but always make sure that it is at least equal to the length of the distance between this point and this point. Okay, so just increase a bit, okay. Now draw an arc here pointing the needle here, and obviously see the 90 degree, the arm of the 90 degree is intersecting the bigger arc at certain point. So point the needle there and see, draw another arc to intersect the arc that you have just drawn. Okay, now again, so this is very simple. This is known as angle bisection, and you have bisected 90 degree. So you're going to have what? So let's mark it as 90, and you have just bisected 90 to get 45. Okay, so point carefully in the angle, mark the intersection point, mark the O and just join them. So you're going to get what? You're going to get 45. So you got 45 degree here. So this is 90 and this is 45. Again, we will bisect 45 degree into two halves and you will get 22.5 degree. So let's do it. So you don't need to change the radius of the compass. So again, point here. See, and again, see, let's name it. Sorry, student, let's name this. So angle AOC is 45 degree. Got it? So what are you going to do? See, here we have pointed the compass and we have drawn an arc, right? Again, see the arm OC of the 45-degree angle is intersecting the first arc, the bigger arc at certain point. Now point the needle of the compass there, okay, and intersect the just drawn arc at certain point. Okay, now, so you have bisected 45-degree. So carefully point the intersection or mark the intersection and join O and the intersection just drawn. Okay, so just name it AOD. And now what you are having here, you are having this angle to be 22.5 degree. Okay, so you got 22.5 degree. So you have just bisected angle AOC 45 degree to get AOD, that is 22.5 degree or 22.5 degree. Okay, so let's check it out, student, what we have constructed so far. So place the protractor carefully. See, the first one is 90. So correct. Now we have bisected 90 into 45. See this one. See, between 40 and 50, this is 45. Now again, see, this one will be 22.5. So see, this is 20, right? And this is 22, and this is 23 in between the arm passes. So this is 22.5. So we have constructed 22.5 successfully and correctly. So we have verified with the protractor. Okay, student. So this is a very simple way of constructing an angle of 22.5 degree. So let's recap. See, first of all, you need an arm of an angle like AO. From the vertex O, construct an angle of 90 degree. Then as usual, follow the simple rule of bisection and bisect the angle of 90 degree to get 45 degree. Now again, you divide or bisect 45 degree to get 22.5 degree. Okay, so I guess you have followed my lecture today, students. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box. Well, thanks for watching. I'll bring more construction videos in the future days. So keep watching. Bye bye for now.